Good morning, guys. Come with us as we drive away from our house in Sydney to travel to Samoa. This is our first ever family holiday. Here we are, airside, all checked in, ready to go. We're just currently exploring before we head over to the gate. And I think at this point the kids were hungry, so we were just looking for a restaurant for the kids to eat. We're just walking around. The kids wanted to have a walk around before they sit down for a feed. And here we are. We chose this amazing view where the kids can see the plane departing and also arriving. Look at that view. And here we are boarding our flight. We flew with Fiji Airways, so that was awesome. We boarded our flight at gate 61, so it was a long walk. And here we are on the plane. Thank God my daughter was already fast asleep and my son's looking for a movie to watch. And here we are up in the air already on the way to Fiji. Look at that view. Absolutely beautiful. We were, I think, 1 hour and 46 minutes away from Fiji when my daughter finally woke up. And here was our lunch. I think it was chicken noodle with some nice bread roll. My son smashed that. And here's my daughter playing games, keeping herself entertained. Then she wanted to sit by the window with her dad because the view was absolutely stunning. We've landed safe and sound in the beautiful island of Fiji. Look at that beautiful view. Thank you, Jesus, for your guidance. This was my first time in Fiji, and it's kind of similar to Samoan weather. It's not too warm, just the right temperature. And here we are getting off the aircraft. Here's my son saying goodbye and thank you to the crew members. And check out my daughter having the best time of her life sitting on the suitcase while we just wheel her around. Look at that air bridge. It looks small, but it was actually pretty big. We're just on our way out of the aircraft once again. And we're now heading over to the arrival areas because we are actually transiting through to Apia, Samoa. It was actually not bad. Our flight was not full at all, which was a good thing. Look at that aircraft and that view. Absolutely beautiful. Also, I just want to say the customer service in Fiji was absolutely amazing. From the flight crew to the people working at the airport, they were very friendly, very professional, and just gives you that sense that you are home. So that was a great experience for us. So a huge thank you to the people of Fiji for your warm welcome and hospitality. Here's us heading over to the transit desk so they would check us in. And here's the duty-free area on the way to gate 4 where we boarded our flight to Samoa. And here's us waiting for our pizza while waiting for boarding time in Fiji. I believe we had 3 hours to queue up before boarding time, so that was nice. And finally, we're on the plane going to Samoa. And here's my son eating. I'm actually quite surprised he's eating again, considering that he had a whole pizza in Fiji. We finally landed in the beautiful island of Samoa, which we are so blessed to call home. And I believe it was around 1 a.m. at this time when we landed. And even though it was so dark, but you can still see the airport. It feels so unreal to be home after 8 years since my last visit. And we are so excited and looking forward to our trip because this is our first holiday as a family of 4. So this was so special. The escalators weren't working, so we had to take the stairs. But this is us on the way to the baggage area to collect our bags. And here we are in the car, driving out of the airport car park on the way home. My partner's brother picked us up. There's brother Peter, me and Eldora, and of course hubby and Michael. We were just looking around, so excited. Everything looks new in Samoa. Feels like they've upgraded everything. And apparently the car park fee has now been increased to $10. I believe it was $5 before, but that's not a problem at all. Here we are on the way home. Yes, here's us pulling up to my mother-in-law's house. Look at that house. Absolutely gorgeous. So beautiful. My son has met his nana before, so he was so excited to see her again. It was raining, so you can see the floor is quite wet and slippery. My son was so excited to see his nana again. And there's Auntie Tutu with Nana. That's Adora's first time meeting Nana, so that was a special moment. And here's hubby bringing our suitcases into the house. Look at her living room. Oh my god, giving 5-star resort. Wow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.